Today I am reviewing the LivePure Ultramite Handheld HEPA Filter Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing you notice about the Ultramite is that it is not designed to replace your primary floor vacuum. It is a specialized, corded handheld unit. At about 6.5 pounds, it is a bit heftier than those lightweight battery-operated dustbusters, but that weight is functional rather than just bulk. You need a bit of heft to create a proper seal against a mattress or a couch cushion, and this unit feels substantial enough to do that. The cord is 16 feet long, which is decent for moving around a bed or a small living room, though you will definitely be tethered to a wall outlet. The core technology behind the Ultramite is a combination of three main features: suction, a motorized brush roll, and UVC light. Let's talk about the suction first. With a 650-watt dual motor system, this unit isn't messing around. It generates a surprising amount of pull for a handheld device. When you drag it across a mattress, you can actually feel it grabbing the fabric. This is crucial because the goal here is to pull debris from deep within the fibers, not just suck up surface dust. Then there is the rolling brush. This is a covered brush, which is a smart choice for delicate fabrics like bedding or expensive upholstery. It beats the mattress, essentially, to vibrate particles loose, making them easier for the motor to pull into the bin. Because it is covered, you do not have to worry about the brush snagging your sheets or pulling threads out of your curtains. It feels like a much gentler, more controlled approach than taking a high-powered floor brush to your pillows. Now, we have to talk about the UVC light because that is the most marketed feature. The idea is that it uses ultraviolet C light at a 253.7 nanometer wavelength to neutralize dust mites, bacteria, and viruses. There is also a built-in safety sensor that shuts the light off if the vacuum is more than 1.2 inches away from the surface, which is a thoughtful design choice for eye protection. In practice, you should view this as a supplementary cleaning step. While laboratory conditions might show high kill rates after several seconds of exposure, you have to be realistic about how you use a vacuum. You are rarely going to hold the unit over one tiny spot for 10 full seconds. Treat the UV light as an added layer of peace of mind rather than a magical sterilization device that kills everything instantly as you glide over it. The mechanical cleaning, the physical removal of the mites, their waste, and the dead skin cells they feed on, is the real workhorse here. That is what actually makes the biggest difference for allergy sufferers. The filtration system is another highlight. It uses a true HEPA filter, which is non-negotiable if you are dealing with allergies. It is rated to capture particles as small as 0.3 microns. If you are cleaning a mattress that hasn't been touched in a year, you do not want all those particles blowing right back out into the air in your bedroom. The seal on the unit is tight enough that you feel confident you are trapping the dust inside rather than just redistributing it. One practical tip is to clean the filter regularly. Since this is designed to pick up fine dust and dander, the filter will get clogged faster than you might expect. It is reusable, which is nice for long-term costs, but it does require maintenance. You need to keep on top of cleaning it to maintain that suction power. The ergonomics of the device are decent for a handheld. The handle feels natural in your hand, and the weight is distributed well enough that your wrist doesn't immediately tire out while doing a queen-sized bed. The dustbin itself is transparent, which is a bit of a double-edged sword. On one hand, it is incredibly satisfying to see exactly what you have pulled out of your mattress. On the other hand, it is a bit gross. You will be surprised by how much fine gray powder you pull out of a bed that looked perfectly clean. It is a real eye-opener that makes you realize why you are buying this machine in the first place. Using the extendable hose to get into the seams and crevices of a sofa or the corners of a mattress is a nice touch. It is a bit stiffer than a standard vacuum hose, but it gives you the reach you need to get into the spots where dust mites love to hide. Those nooks and crannies are often where the most debris accumulates, so having that dedicated tool makes a genuine difference. However, no tool is perfect. One point of criticism is the noise. It is not an ultra-quiet device. You are looking at a powerful 650-watt motor in a small, handheld package, and it produces a high-pitched whine that you will definitely notice if you are cleaning the guest room while someone is trying to take a nap in the next room. It is not a deal-breaker, but it is louder than your average cordless stick vacuum. Also, keep in mind that this is a corded unit. In an age of convenient, battery-operated tools, dragging a cable around your bedroom might feel a bit old-fashioned. On the flip side, you never have to worry about the battery dying in the middle of a deep cleaning session. You can take as much time as you need to be thorough without watching a battery indicator tick down. There is a certain reliability to that constant high-level power. You should consider this machine if you or someone in your household suffers from genuine dust mite allergies, asthma, or respiratory sensitivities. If you find yourself waking up with congestion or itchy eyes, keeping the mattress and pillows clean is a logical step. This device is also excellent if you have pets that shed a lot and like to lounge on your furniture. It gets the hair off, but more importantly, it gets the dander and the microscopic allergens out of the fabric where a regular lint roller or vacuum attachment might fail. If you're just looking for a general-purpose vacuum to keep your floors clean, this is not the right purchase. It is not designed for that. It is a highly specialized niche tool. If you have a very small apartment with no upholstered furniture or carpets, it is probably going to just take up space in your closet. You are paying for the filtration, the UV technology, and the specialized brush, so you want to make sure you are using it on surfaces where those features actually matter. In terms of build quality, the LivePure feels like a mid-range appliance. It is mostly plastic, but it feels sturdy enough to handle regular use. The latches on the dustbin are solid, and the filter assembly fits together with a satisfying click. It does not feel cheap, but it also doesn't feel like a luxury piece of industrial hardware. It is exactly what you expect for the price point. One thing that might surprise you is how satisfying the routine becomes. Once you start seeing what you are pulling out of your fabrics, you tend to become a bit more disciplined about it. It becomes part of the monthly home maintenance, like changing the air filters in your HVAC system or cleaning the dryer vent. It is one of those household tasks that feels productive because you get immediate, visible results. When you weigh the performance against the price, you are paying for the peace of mind that comes with HEPA filtration and a specialized toolset. Is it going to change your life overnight? Probably not. You will still need to wash your bedding in hot water and use allergen-proof covers if you have severe allergies. But as part of a broader strategy to keep your bedroom a clean environment, it is a very effective component. The maintenance is straightforward. Emptying the bin is easy, and cleaning the filter is simple enough that it does not feel like a chore. The manufacturer offers a 2-year warranty on the motor and a 1-year warranty on parts, which is a good sign that they stand behind the construction. It shows that they anticipate you using this more than just a couple of times a year. Think about the time you spend on your bed. You are there for 6 to 8 hours every single night. That is a lot of skin cells being shed, a lot of sweat, and a lot of time for dust mites to thrive. If you look at it that way, investing in a tool to keep that surface clean feels like a sensible decision. It is not about vanity or having a perfectly manicured home. It is about hygiene and your own respiratory comfort. If you're a pet owner, you probably already know that pet dander gets into everything. No matter how much you brush your dog or cat, it ends up on the sofa and the bed. You can wash your sheets, but you cannot wash your mattress or your couch cushions. Having a dedicated tool like the Ultramite allows you to tackle those surfaces in a way that just isn't possible with a basic upholstery attachment. The combination of the vibration from the brush and the suction power really pulls that embedded dander out, which is a major win for people who love their pets but hate the side effects of living with them. If you are the type of person who loves gadgets that serve a specific purpose, this is going to be right up your alley. It does one thing, and it does it very well. It does not try to be a floor vacuum, a car detailer, and a mattress cleaner all at once. By focusing on soft surfaces, it excels where multi-purpose vacuums usually struggle. It is a very direct, honest piece of equipment. For someone living in a dorm, an apartment, or a home, the experience of using it is quite meditative in a way. You turn it on, you focus on a section of the mattress, and you watch the bin fill up. It is a very clear process. You start with a dirty surface, you apply the technology, and you end with a visibly cleaner area. There is a sense of accomplishment in that, especially for people who find the act of cleaning to be a way to manage stress. One final note on the design. The 45-degree angle of the air discharge is a clever detail. It keeps the exhaust air moving away from you, so you aren't blowing dust directly into your own face while you are hunched over the bed. It shows that the engineers were actually thinking about the user experience, rather than just cramming a motor into a plastic shell. It is these small, thoughtful design choices that make the Ultramite stand out from the generic, no-name handhelds you see online. If you are someone who likes to keep a clean, healthy home, this is a very solid, practical addition to your cleaning arsenal. It is not going to replace your vacuum, but it will handle the parts of your home that your vacuum is not equipped to clean properly. It brings a level of hygiene to your bedroom and living space that is hard to achieve any other way. It is a sensible investment for anyone who spends a lot of time on their furniture and wants to do it in an environment that is as free of dust, mites, and allergens as possible. For the right buyer, it is a tool that you will find yourself reaching for again and again, and you will quickly wonder why you did not get something like this sooner. It is a functional, effective, and well-designed appliance that deserves a place in your cleaning routine. You won't regret the added level of cleanliness it brings to your home. It's an honest, effective, and practical solution that actually delivers on its promises. If you value your respiratory health and want a cleaner place to sleep and relax, it is a very easy choice to make.